Meaning of indiscreetly.
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 Indiscreetly. The word indiscreetly is an adverb that describes a behavior or action in a way that lacks good judgment, caution, or restraint. When someone behaves indiscreetly, they may reveal information that should be kept confidential, speak too loudly or impulsively, or engage in actions that may embarrass themselves or others. Such behavior may often result in negative consequences, including damaged reputation, broken trust, or legal issues. Therefore, it is important to act with discretion and carefully consider the impact of our words and actions before sharing them indiscreetly.